I want to start a new company selling widgets. How do I do it? What do I have to do to be a successful marketing person, an entrepreneur? Where do I have to go? Where do I start? I've got this product and I can move it.
Widgets.
Widgets. I got this product called Widgets.
First thing that you have to do, I believe, is learn everything you can about widgets. I think it's really important that people know, salespeople know their product really, really well. That's the first thing. I think the second thing is to identify the types of people that would be interested in widgets. So you got to find what your market is. Identify the market that you want to go after.
Is this a know your client? Know exactly who your client is?
Know who it is that you're going to go see. Identify them with as much detail as possible, because that makes it easier to find the kind of people that you want to go see. It reduces the amount of cold calls that you would have to make, and ultimately never have to make any cold calls if you do a really good job identifying the market and getting prospects into that market. The next thing you have to do is come up with a process in terms of what you would say to people to introduce widgets to them. I think if you have a process that's known to you so well that you don't have to think about what they're doing or what they're saying, you just think about what you have to say, you know what to say, it's memorized, and it's so memorized that you're like an actress, just like Julia Roberts knows her lines, you think she's Erin Brockovich, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, so you have to know your lines so well.
Right.
Then you have to be able to do a good fact find with the client to find out what it is that they need, because really ultimately what we're trying to do is solve a problem that they have. So you solve a problem that they have by going back. Once you found all the needs that they have, you go back and you work on it, and then you come back with a solution, and then you close it.